And now this is how we fix the wall in 1 second. Welcome back to Natural Log House YouTube channel. My name is Andrija. In this episode we're going to show you how we insulate and close inner side of the walls. Our company streamed to ecological house build, and that's why for insulation we use natural sheep wool. We gather it from sheep shearing companies, and it's washed, clean and ecological. This wall is also already finished on the outside. First layer is agapan panel, and the second layer is wood for the look. Inside we put sheep wool completely to the top, compressed in all corners as much as we can. Sheep wool is in place. We mounted the board holders, and the next step is mounting the steam barrier that prevents cold and hot air from outside and inside contacting and then condensing, creating moisture that is harmful for wood. Steam barrier is in place. The next step is fixing the boards, and also the final step in the closing the inner walls. This here detail shows how we put the wiring for light through the board, where the customer will put whatever he wants. Here we can see the boards. Some of them are planned and some of them still have a raw look. These with the raw look will be anyway covered with other boards, so won't be visible. And if customer still wants totally raw look, we can mount all the boards with just bark peeled off and not planned. In this house we are using larch wood for finish, and for all questions we are available in comments. And now this is how we fix the wall in 1 second.
How we cut the holes for the electric cables, how we close the walls of the bathroom, how we close the walls in the hall and in different rooms. Stay till the end of the episode to find out.
Da pravi, če bi jo potrtačil prav po kakšnem mestu naredil, bi bilo šalivje, jo. Skrivno radi. Zadaj pravi. Daj, kje imaš volno?
Okay. To probaj na vrh, če ga zabasa.
Popajno pol. Jaz po roki bomo plačiti. Nis, dogovorili smo da ću ja danas prespavati.
Razen če gremo gledat.
Da, možem znanje, ne? Ne smije znanja, ne?
Držiš?
Ja. Mace sam u drvo.
Next room.
In this room we have a little bit different situation. This is a bathroom, and here insulation is the same as all around the house, sheep wool, and the steam barrier that is mounted underneath the OSB panels. On top we put knauf panels and then ceramic plates.